Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy Max here, back with something a little bit different. We're sitting on a 2023 Harley-Davidson Lowrider S. We got the nice 117 Milwaukee 8 into it, 2-into-1 Vance & Hines pipe. Yeah, let's jump straight into it. Now, if you don't know, Harley-Davidson put out this Milwaukee 8 motor in 2018 after they killed their twin cam lineup. I have personally owned two M8s. I've had a 114. They've got a 122 in my personal lowrider S right now. Great motor, super fun stock. Even more fun when you start adding some power components. For the controls on a Harley, if you don't know, you've got blinker on the left side, left blinker, left side. We've got our cruise control, push that in, turns that on. You push it down as long as you're going above 30 miles per hour, I believe. That sets your cruise, so now we're hands-free, cruising along. You can go up and increase your speed or down and decrease your speed. And then anything, brake, throttle, will just pull you right out of that cruise mode. Our menu change, go through odometer, trip, range, RPM here, even though we do have a analog tack up top. We've got horn, high beams, and high beams. Then on the right side, we've got right blinker. Looks like a traction control button over here. We've got our kill switch, hazards, and our starter right under that. Then obviously you got your mirrors left and right. Yeah, this Lowrider S is a very, very, very fun machine. It's nice and stable, but still with that soft tail frame, that monoshock in the back. It provides a very smooth, comfortable ride. 6 speeds. You know, a bike like this is gonna top out maybe 120 stock with no motor work. But this isn't built for speed. This is built for comfort, built for cruising along, nice longer rides. We got the stock kind of mini fairing up front, blocks some of that wind. I don't know how well this picks up through my microphone, but this Vance & Hines 2-into-1 sounds really, really good. Now this 117 stock, I believe, is pushing about 110 horse, 115 foot-pounds of torque, so pretty powerful motor. Harley's putting in these things, and you know, you can only make them more powerful with just a tune, or if you want to get into it a little deeper, throw a cam in it, and that's going to give you big power returns. And honestly, I've personally put 30-some thousand miles on these Milwaukee 8s. I ride my Harleys hard, and I have not had a single issue with these motors. They're pretty damn bulletproof. And it's something about how they feel, that Harley feel, you don't get on another bike. Now this lowrider has a nice SW Customs seat on it. Nice seat for the lady if you're into that. But keeps you nice and locked in on the bike. Nice comfy seat. Makes these longer rides just a little bit nicer. And the nice thing about these Harleys is the aftermarket support is massive for these motorcycles. If you have a dream of how you want your bike to look, there's a company out there that makes something that can get you just a little bit closer to your dream. Right, this is kind of a little bit of a test run, so we're going to kind of see how this one worked out, and I hope it's a good one for you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Check us out, simplyrideusa.com or Simply Ride in Eden Prairie. Right now, as of whatever today is, we've got about 275 motorcycles on the floor. Come check us out online or in person. We'll be here. Thanks, guys.